What's up, YouTube? They came in, and the numbers look good. There's a spacing on the threaded holes looks good. I think it's a little bit tight on one of them, but not to the point where I'm gonna reject it. We got 20 of them. Prototype, reality. Simple drawing. And they cut these and ship them super fast. And we got here we have some M6 button heads. These are 45 millimeter. And the way this will go in is like any other installation for a 9000. And then we line up the retaining plate with the bevel up with the holes. And that is a 4 millimeter hex. Get that one started. And we'll get these two started. I'm going to pull them up evenly. Snug all the way down till they stop, hand tight. That is it. There's enough thread retention there to prevent back out. You could give it just a little bit. I wouldn't go all the way till it stops, and then maybe a degree or two more to stretch the screw a little bit, and that'll never come out. Don't put thread locker on it. You'll never get them out if you do that, or it will end up running the threads. Up to you. I will never be taking this out unless I have, well, I shouldn't be removing the shifter body from this mount at any point, but that's not coming off. Much happier with that. Now I can put this back in the car. I have to drive that all the way down. I'm not doing that right now. And we have to put the boot on here. I could go ahead and do that. Let me go grab the shift boot and we'll install that. We'll use that. Very nice. Yeah, it's going to work nicely. So I got a new shift boot, shift gator. New old stock from One Red Arrow on eBay. A little bit pricey, but Sean was the only one I found online that actually had one. These are getting really hard to find. And mine is well beyond recovery. So let us turn this thing inside out. You see right here, that cuff right there is what gets trapped into this right here, and then you pull it back over. So we want that ridge on the inside there to be right in that groove. Here's a pair of pliers. I got these multi-tool. Let's go ahead and cinch this smaller. Then we can slide it down over it. You would have to break. I'm gonna need a little bit stronger wire. So the MIG wire was a fail. How about an E guitar string? And I've basically looped it through a few times to give me a nice cinch down. Okay, let's go twist her around. There we go. Okay, we are almost there. If you'd like to get one of these rings, I have plenty of them. I have 19 left after mine. I bought 20. They're ready to go, and I will include button head screws to put your genuine SAAB short shifter into your 9000 shifter mount. I have a whole bunch more of these to go all around. Send me an email on the address on the channel, or hit me up on SAAB Central. Instagram, if you follow Ryan Goth 9000, or the SAAB 9000 group on Facebook. And we'll get you going with the set. I'm probably going to sell these. I'll probably do 20 US for the kit, plus postage. Yep. So, unless you want to buy more than one. If you want to buy more than one of them, I'll go down on the price. I just want to recoup what I paid to have mine made, and it made no sense to pay $500 for one ring when I can cut that amount substantially by ordering 20. I could have ordered 50 or 100. I just didn't see the prospect of selling that many of them, so I'll be lucky to get rid of the other 19 that I have now. So let me know.